package.
It's a surprise. Chia seeds.
Chia seeds.
Wait a second.
Masam na nga surprise.
I thought it was a. Oh no, never mind. It's here. You get the pink one.
Sana all.
Wait, no, I have to fix it.
Uy,
I have to fix it.
anong nganaw?
This is for your birthday. This is also for your birthday. I know, but because I couldn't buy you one on your birthday. White one?
Huh?
White one and then pink one.
Okay.
Okay.
Tuwa
Why
niyo.
don't you guys open it? You open yours. You open yours. Don't break it.
Sige na, i-open na. Sige na.
Open it on the table now.
Oh my god. Ayaw.
Yeah, just right there. You pull the green. You pull the green part. No, you're gonna pull the green part. Pull the green part on both sides.
Like that?
Mm-hmm. Pull it across. Pull it all the way. That's the seal. That's the seal.
Huh?
And then flip it over. And then just.
Oh my god.
Okay. Don't not yet because we gotta put it in the case before you do anything stupid with it.
Wow, sana all. La. La, naong niyo? Katawaan niya, oh. Gubuo na sana niya.
Don't break this, please. Be careful with your devices. I don't want to see. Okay, let's get some cases on first so you guys don't damage it.
That's Ates?
This is our taste.
Yes, she's my.
Wow.
Oh my god.
I think you gotta go there.
Nagubuo na sana nimo ha.
Don't break this. You're gonna have this.
Okay.
What color is that? White?
This is white.
Oh, so
I
they
got her
have
a
white.
pink one so that they're different.
Ano? Wow, nice.
Okay.
Okay, open it.
Open, take off the covers. I gotta move your phone number over. Press the power
Wow.
button. I gotta put a front.
Sus, kalaki naman kaya na yung mga cellphone. Sana all.
I gotta put this thing on.
Lipayan niya eh. Kinanagitang siya yung cellphone. Wagitang siya yung cellphone. Mga pila na ka-months. Wait, since last year, right? Mawa kay phone?
I hadn't had one.
Na cellphone ang usa pero na magsige ka pa. Wala si Manoy. Manoy's not here today. Sa Pikas Balay si Manoy. Dito siya natulog.
You got one?
Wow.
No. She's saying that.
So what do you guys say to your daddy?
Thank you.
Father's Day man ang taugma. Dapat si daddy ang mudawat og regalo.
Let's turn this off. I need to see the screen.
So this is Jonas.
Yeah.
Light pink and Ate's white. Nice.
What is this?
USB-C. This is a charger.